Today's headlines. Supreme Court might shift Kanhaiya's trial. Rahul Gandhi meets the President of India. Allahabad Court ordered to register sedition case against Rahul Gandhi. Fake admit cards issued in Uttar Pradesh. Shane Warne was nipped by an anaconda. The Supreme Court on Wednesday said that they might consider and shift the trial of JNU Student Union President Kanhaiya Kumar after witnessing the violence for the past 3 days outside the Patiala courthouse. The bench said that we are concerned by the law and order situation. Nobody will be allowed to defame the justice delivery system. No lawyer will be allowed to take law into his hands. The senior advocate Ajit Sinha, appearing in front of Delhi police, mentioned that the incident was disappointing. Rahul Gandhi meets Pranab Mukherjee with regards to JNU case. After meeting Pranab Mukherjee, the Congress Vice President mentioned that this nation will prosper because of our students' imagination. Imposing an ideology on them will not benefit the nation. He also said that nationalism is my blood. I have seen my family making sacrifices again and again for this country. Apart from this, he also mentioned that some images were recently damaging India's image, and this is the reason why Congress approached the president. This could be a major hit to the Congress party, as Allahabad High Court had ordered to file a sedition case against Rahul Gandhi. This decision was taken as Rahul Gandhi met the students protesting in the JNU campus with connection to anti-national activities row. The plea alleged that Rahul Gandhi offered support to JNU students who were shouting anti-national slogans. The Congress Vice President said Kanhaiya Kumar just put forward his expression, but the government is labeling him as anti-national. Just a day before 1.6 lakh students appear for their board exams, a college in UP pasted a former cricketer's son Arjun's photo in the admit card. The admit card's roll number was traced out to be 0025488. The name was mentioned on the card as Arjun Singh. The photo on the card was also attested by the administration department of Ankur International College in Durganagar. Sources in the admin office mentioned that admit cards have fake photographs pasted on them. Adding to this, they said that the system has been fixed. For each fake card, the candidate pay a sum of rupees 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. Shane Warne was tipped by an anaconda. The retired Australian spin bowler Shane was bit by a snake in a reality show. Shane dipped his head into a box full of reptiles in the show. A promo clip shows that Shane was nipped on his head by an anaconda. Now he is receiving medical aid from the nearby area.
Simply log on to gravifynews.com, your one-stop destination for all your news needs.